Today I have got another update in my OnePlus 9R device. New version, system version available. Oxygen OS OnePlus 9R software version V50P03BRB1EX01 77.97 megabyte. Private safe. Now you can create and manage folder in private safe. Speed up file encryption and decryption for private safe. Okay, improve system stability. Download and install. Downloading. Okay, 99% installing. Restart. Now I am restarting my device. After installing the update, I am using the phone. Everything seems alright. Okay, I will let you know if there is any bugs. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.